Hey guys, check this thunderstorm. Yeah, it looks like rain, but it's not. Look at the water. You'll hear some thunder. Hello. We have 2 new dogs temporarily here. Hopefully. So there is thunder out there. You'll hear it in a second. It was hailing a second ago. Wasn't it hailing? Y'all know. It was hailing a second ago. Like big hail. You might see some of it floating down the road, but since my camera does not focus, that's where you can't see it. Here you go. Listen. Turn the TV down so we can hear. So my camera can hear, because my camera does not. My camera doesn't pick up very soft sound.
Look at these guys. They can't see where they're going.
Oh yeah, those guys are pretty cool. I watch them all the time. Just listen, guys. You'll hear something. It's not. I'm not filming because of the rain. I'm filming because of the thunder and the lightning. That was kind of cool. This is pathetic. My grandma can't control a little chihuahua. Oops. Oh, stop camera.
The movie where they're going to go see Batman and Superman.
Batman versus Superman.
They don't want to do that.
Yeah.
So if you guys just listen, you will hear something. So just listen. So it was pouring out, probably like inches a second.
Where did Wendy say she had to go? Did it go over to while she was out?
She
Prescription.
was something at the drugstore, but she thought she'd drive them.
Well, y'all go over there and talk. I'm trying to see if my camera can hear it. What? I'll come out a sec. A sec. Alright. Let's go out here, guys.
I'll hold the door.
No, I'll hold the door. I'll lean on it. Focus camera. My camera doesn't focus. It's stupid. Okay.
What's that?
How long is that gonna last?
That's a long one. Tell you what, that was a lot of rain coming down.
Oh, it was probably like if that kept doing that, I bet you would get like 5 inches in an hour. If there is hail and it like starts melting, then it'll make more water. Because obviously it's ice, and you probably already know that, you guys. I'm not talking to him, I'm talking to you. So this is exactly what happened before I made that video, Close Encounter with Tornado. Actually, that dog is not a Chihuahua. It's actually like a miniature Doberman or something. And it's clawing at the door, trying to get out. The person who owns the dog, well, the persons who own the dog went out to go do something. So we're left with 4 dogs. And one of them my mom brought with them. So we actually have 5 dogs to take care of at the moment. That's like in 2 places at once. Okay, shut up, thunder. I want another thunder boom thing. See, it was darker over there, though. Is the rain just making the clouds look lighter or something?
Yeah.
Because it was, like, black when I saw it. Then again, it hasn't even hit us yet, so it'll probably get darker.
But I hope the electric don't go out in the movies. That wouldn't be good.
That would be kind of funny, actually. Just be sitting there and boom, everything goes off. Now. You pay money for the tickets and the seat. They had to reserve their seats. They cost like $1 a piece. So you just wasted like probably $15 or something for nothing. Don't tell me I hear the ice cream man now. Please don't tell me.
We gotta hear that dummy out there.
I hit you.
That dummy.
The ice cream man is out here.
Yep. Okay, that kind of dive.